Salve omnes, nomen mihi est Magister Sullivan. Today we'll be discussing lines 78 through 83 and a half-ish from Pyramus and Thisbe, written by Ovid. Here we go. Having spoken such things in vain on the opposite seat. At night, they said goodbye, and each one, understanding Pyramus and Thisbe, gave kisses not coming all the way through to each of their own part of the wall. Afterwards, Aurora, this is had, because of Erat, had removed the nightly fires, probably the stars, the constellations, and the sun, once again, had dried the frosty grasses with its rays. And again, pruinosas goes with herbas. Coere, they came, or they met, at, or to, if you're going to go with came, the agreed upon or the accustomed place. So, a couple things to point out. Here's Aurora. She's the goddess of the dawn. And she's being referenced here. But before that, we have several verbs. We have dixere, we have dedere, we have coere. All of these verbs are called perfect verbs. They have alternate forms, right? This ere, which makes it look like an infinitive, but we translate it like a perfect or past tense verb. It's used most often in poetry because we'll talk about this later, but there's going to be some scansion or meter, and that's going to change the way we say the sentences. Because again, these were meant to be performances. But you do still notice some poetic devices going on here. Diversa, to sede, locuti, to talia. We have one here with parti, to suai, right? And then we have oscula, or pervenientia to oscula. Right? This creates kind of like an interlocking word order. This is called synchesis. If you remember last time, we saw chiasmus, which was almost like a rainbow pattern. We also have here nocturnos to ignes, and we have aurora or posterra to aurora. It's another form of interlocking word order. Again, something that Ovid and epic writers love to have. So, that's the translation for lines 78 through 83 and a half, or I guess 82 and a half. This is written by Ovid, and it's Pyramus and Thisbe. Until next time, Walete omnes.